Good morning, everyone. Today's Sunday, Saturday. Gosh, this deer fly is bugging me. Today's Saturday. Ah, shot. I'm vlogging.
Yeah, you are.
So we're here in the mountain, Mount Everest. No, we're not. We're here in the jungle. In the jungle without a monkey. The monkey is walking behind me. Actually, we're still here in Bloomington. It's a beautiful morning, but the deer fly. What's that?
Deer fly.
Deer flies bugging me. What the heck? It's a nice walking trail. It's natural. It's not. It is not. What do you call this? Pavement or?
Yeah.
Ah! It's a rat.
Mouse or true.
Poor creature.